video we are gonna be making a fireplace
in this
area. I think it's gonna look super cool because the fireplace that we're gonna be using is like a stove.
Yeah.
And it looks kind of vintage. We're gonna be making it with a modern look in the wall and in the surrounding area.
It's gonna be like a mix.
It's like a mix of a couple
different
things.
styles. It's gonna look good, hopefully. Yeah. We're gonna try to decorate the space perfect for Christmas because
our favorite time of the year.
Yeah, I have this Christmas spirit here. So
we decided to use a fire stove just because this place is pretty small.
We don't have space
and we don't have like a big space for this area. No. And so we decided to just use a fire stove. I think it will look pretty cool.
And smaller.
And smaller,
because I really dream with like a fireplace and with a mantle, but we also want something different. And I think that what you're going to see in this video is going to look completely different from what you normally see on Pinterest. And I don't know, I think it's a really good idea. And one of the most important things is that it's extremely rental friendly.
Yes. So that being said, let's get started with this DIY project.
Wait. First, guys.
What happened now?
Remember, if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notified every single time
that we upload a new video. And also, don't forget to
follow on all our social media.
I can't read it right now. Watch out.
Follow us on all our social media pages. We have YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and our webpage. So yeah.
Let's get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make a frame. For the area that we're gonna do the wall, and we're gonna be using 1 by 2 by 8 feet long wooden board.
Like this. They're very cheap, right?
Yeah, they're like $2.
So we're going to be making the frame first, and our walls are about 8 feet long.
About 8.
So yeah, we're gonna try to cover the entire wall. We cut these sides, and we're gonna try to connect that with these 2 other pieces to make our frame.
Sides.
Yeah. So now that we have the frame, what we want to do is it's going to look like an accent wall, like a tiny accent wall frame. I don't know.
Something like that. Something that you name it.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is to use the same sticks, and we're going to put them on the top of this one in different directions, different angles. We're going
to make it like 3D.
Yeah, hopefully it's going to look good.
And this is what we have in mind.
Yeah, in my mind, it's just perfect.
It's looking perfect.
Yeah.
Let's see the finished product, how it turns out.
Our wall is completely white, so we want to add a color. I'm going to put these on the wall, and I'm going to mark so that way I'm going to know what is the space that I need to paint, basically. Okay, so now we have all the area marked from where I need to paint, and I'm going to use this tape also because it's easier to paint, and then you need to just like remove the tape and you're going to have perfect lines. I'm going to be using the same color paint that I used in the last video. Is Warm Ashes. So yeah, we get this from Walmart, and it only costs like $12, and it is in flat matte. So I'm going to paint this space, and you're going to keep working on the frame.
Let's go. So I'm done with the design already.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna sand it.
Just to make them look a little bit smoother. So yeah, this is the design that we did. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's going to stain this in the special walnut stain. And I did one coat of the paint, so I'm going to paint the second coat. So let's continue with this project.
So I made this box using 1 by 4 inches wooden boards. We're gonna use it to raise the fire stove. So it will be basically 4 inches higher just to protect the floor because of the heat. So yeah, that's what I'm working right now.
The next day, and we let the frame dry overnight just because of the smell, and we are ready to now put it on the wall and start decorating. So this is the frame, and I really love how it looks.
Some of the wood pieces we put it in the front, some other in the back. That way it might look like kind of 3D.
Yeah, it's going to have
look.
like, it's going to have more dimension. Yeah, we're going to put this on the wall, but we was thinking that maybe we can put like tooth hangers on the back side to be able to hang it on the wall, but we actually don't need to do that.
Because we noticed that when we put the bottom part, the bottom box that we made, it gets really tight to the roof and to the bottom, and it fits perfect over there. We don't need to put nothing. I mean, if you do it at home, just put some nails on it, but we're not gonna do it because it gets really tight right here.
And when we need to move from this apartment, it's going to be easy.
A lot easier than we thought.
Yeah. The vase is going to be here, and the frame is going to be on the top of this. So we decided to get this one. It's from Walmart, and you have so many options, not on Walmart, you have so many options on Amazon. So we're going to be linking a few options for you guys. Now it's time to decorate this area, and we're going to be decorating for Christmas. Hopefully soon our complete home is going to have that Christmas spirit, and I'm so excited. I have 3 Christmas trees like this. It is pretty long. This one I think is
You're pointing at me with
this one I think is 4 feet long, and I'm going to put it in this area. It's going to hide the cable, and I also want to put another one, and you can put lights on it if you like. I think I'm going to let them simple. I have lights, but I'm not sure. Let's see. In this other side, we're going to be putting these. I get this from Target, and it was only
$7 something.
Yeah.
$8.
$8. And we decided to get this because we want to put these. This is wood. Firewood. This is an electric stove, and we don't need the wood, but it's just for decoration, and I think it's going to look super cool. Okay, now I'm going to add this just to give it a nice touch to the crate. I'm also going to add these beautiful reindeer. I get this from a thrift store for I think only 60 cents last year, but I think you can get this from Hobby Lobby too. You can get a new one. This is a little bit old, but it's going to work. Final touch is going to be a wreath, and I decided to put a wreath here in the center, and I think it's going to look beautiful. And I made my own wreath. This is the wreath that I made, and I really love it. It is made from Dollar Tree items, and it turned out beautiful and budget friendly. So the next video that is coming this Sunday on my main channel, DIY Home and Crafts, you can see how I did this wreath. Super budget friendly. The link of my channel is going to be in the description box, so make sure that you hit the bell so you don't miss this video. And yeah, we're going to put it on, I think, on the middle on this wood piece. So we put the wreath on the top, and I think the trees need something like a pop of red, so I have these. They are berries, and I get them from Walmart for only 98 cents. And I think it's a good idea to put like a few on the taller one, just like that. Super simple, to add that red touch.
So guys, we end with our project. We really hope you like it. I think with the red touch of the berries, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, and I have that Christmas period.
It really pops out. For
real.
I mean, it really pops out.
Yeah, and this project turned out extremely budget friendly and rental friendly. We spent about like
$150 because this
including
the stove.
That's the most expensive.
It was
part.
just like $80. It wasn't that much.
Yeah.
I mean.
So guys, we really hope that you like and enjoy this video with us. And if you like it, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support our channel.
Remember to follow us on our social media pages. We have Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and of course our webpage JAZOMY.com.
Okay, Facebook, but we don't have Facebook.
No, we don't have Facebook.
Yeah, just Instagram.
But you can follow Jazz on Facebook though.
Yeah, of course, DIY by Jazz. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel.
And you hit the bell to get notified every single time that we upload a new video.
Yeah.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.